we're not doing ASMR. So today we are going to plop. So you probably can't tell right now because I have so many lights right here, but it is actually 10:48 p.m. I pretty much never, and I mean, I never wash my hair at night. But my hair needed washed, I was bored, and I just figured, screw it, I might as well give this a try. So today, we are going to try plopping. I've only done it once in the past. I've been wanting to try it again just to see how it works. Plus, so many of you have asked for different like routines and things that you can do that cut down on time. Plopping has been something that's been recommended by so many people. So kind of experimental, kind of like, hey, if you need an easier routine, try this. Or if you need to shower at night kind of thing. So fingers crossed we get decent results. I'll be 100% honest, I do not have high hopes. I've already applied all of my stylers. I cleansed in the shower with the Bounce Curl Clarifying Shampoo. Also in the shower, I applied the Cowash Brazil Rio Mist Leave-In Conditioner, one of my all-time favorites. I let my hair air dry a little bit until it was no longer soaking. Then I applied the Women to Women Naturals Curls O Curls, added a little bit of the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel just for some hold. Here we are. And we're on my couch with my sleeping puppy who I did not want to disturb because we're still unpacking and I don't really have a film space set up yet. So let's do this. So we are going to use the hair repair towel. So this was sent to me by Hair Repair. It's literally just this big cotton towel, super gentle on your curls, but one of the cool things is it has this little band so you can like twist the towel and put it back in it. So I'm actually gonna kind of use that for plopping. Typically, when I've done plopping in the past, it was with a t-shirt. So I'm kind of excited to try this. So let's just freaking do it. So we're gonna take the elasticy side down. I'm gonna put this here. There's dog hair everywhere in my life, so if you're wondering, no, I'm not worried about the dog hair getting mixed in with my hair, because it probably already is. The whole goal is we're gonna get our hair flipped upside down, and then we're going to essentially like squish it into the towel like this, except for with all of it, right? And then we're gonna wrap the towel. So this is what I'm gonna do. I think there's other ways to like wrap it, but I wanna be able to like use the elastic. So we're gonna do that. The tricky part is doing that with keeping my hair in place. So let's just try it. So same thing again. Let it drape. Oh, that worked. Okay. We're just gonna keep spinning. And literally tucking it right in. That like feels like it's holding really well. That's plopping. So I'm going to check back in with you in the morning. Here's my guess, is that my hair might not be completely dry, but probably most of the way dry. My other guess is that where I normally have spirals, I'm gonna have more of like a wave, or like my spirals won't have actually formed. And my other guess is that we're probably going to need to refresh a little bit so that it's not awful. My hope is that I have amazing freaking volume. So fingers crossed. As far as like time is concerned, I mean, I probably took a 10-minute shower because I shaved my legs finally. Springtime. Hibernation's over. 10-minute shower, air dried for a half hour, and then added products. But if you needed to add products quicker, you can use the same towel, scrunch your hair, get out moisture, then add products, and then just straight to the plopping, right? So you don't necessarily have to wait that time. I just like to. All right, good night from me and Cece, and I'll check back in with you in the morning. Good morning. My little twist held up. It's loose on my hair, but on my head a little bit, but did not come off at all. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm scared. We're gonna undo this for the first time right now together. Hi, Cece. Good morning. All right, let's do this. Oh, hi, Shelly. Oh, hi, Shelly. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. There you have it, everyone. My hair is definitely still a bit wet. Which is okay because we're gonna be refreshing. Okay, so this worked way worse than the first time I ever tried it. Made it look like the product is just like sitting on my head, like hair. So weird. Okay, and like back here, you can see is like almost completely straight. Oh no. Nah, maybe we can make it work. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna like maybe go have coffee or something, and then we'll I'll bring you into the bathroom and we'll reassess. So I have not refreshed yet, but I just pulled my hair, let it sit probably about a half hour or so. It's now most of the way dry, still not completely dry, but I think some of that is because of one of the products that I used. It's actually not bad. So it definitely needs to be refreshed. I mean, I don't think that there's like, I never in a million years would imagine going to sleep with like wet hair and not having to like mess with it in the morning. But like this side of my hair especially, I actually think looks really good. It's got a lot of volume. It's not my typical like spiral curls, but they're really full. It's mainly just, if it wasn't for these little scraggly pieces, I would just wear this and go. I'm gonna spray my hair with a little bit of water. I'm not gonna do it on camera. If you wanna see a refresh, I'll tag one down in the description, and I'll update my refreshes soon. But I'm just gonna spray a little bit of water on it, scrunch, diffuse until it's dry, and then I'll check back in with you. And we are back for the final assessment. All right, so these are final results. I have to say, it turned out way better than I thought it was going to. So all in all, I mean, I probably spent a minute or two spraying water, and then maybe 5 to 10 max diffusing. Teeny bit stringy, but I think some of this is the product. I'm trying, like the Curls O Curls by Women to Women Naturals that I showed you I used earlier. It's a volumizer along with curl enhancer, and I haven't quite gotten how much my hair needs down yet. So I used a little bit too much of it. Even still, tomorrow it'll be perfect. By day 2, it always balances out. But so if it looks a little bit producty down here, that's why. And I'm really happy with these results. At first I thought I was gonna be rewashing. First time in like forever that I have washed my hair back to back. But I actually think I'm going to rock this and see how it holds up day 2. So, easiest wash day I've had in forever. Scariest for sure. So cool thing is with plopping, if you need an overnight routine, I definitely recommend giving this a try. I think this is a really good overnight routine, and especially like if you have curly kids at home, hey you curly teenagers that want to have more sleep in the morning, try plopping overnight. Thank you so much for joining me. If it was your first time here, my name is Jannelle and we do all things curly and then some. If you haven't already slammed that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go slam that subscribe button, hit that bell while you're at it to turn on post notifications so you do not miss a thing. I will see you next time. Bye.